Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add voiceover in InShot. Voiceover is the powerful post-production technique in the video editing. In short, the voiceover feature allows you to record, edit, synchronize and professionally mix narration directly within the mobile editing timeline, and this makes it ideal for the tutorials and the content. And below, first you need to launch to your InShot app, and on the home dashboard you can find this video, photo or the collage. You need to select to this video and you can either create to this new or you can simply go to the draft. And once now you are inside the editing workspace, which includes your preview monitor, primary timeline and the toolbar. So over here, tap on the audio on the bottom, and what you have to do is you need to select to this mic icon that says record. Select to this record, and over here there's a red circular record button. What you can do is you need to tap on that, and after you're done you can simply tap back there and it will stop. And over here you can release the button to stop recording, and once confirmed you can tap to finalize on this check mark there. A new audio waveform layers appears below the video track, and the waveform visually represents sound amplitude. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.